All right. Driving through a little town. Little town. When there's mobile homes right there on the highway. Trailer home. Yeah, it's cold out there, lady. Look at that snowbank right in the middle of the road. But it seems like it's really reliant on left turns in this town. Not with that mountain in the middle. Go past this guy. All right, we got a red light up there. I'm gonna back off. See if we can maintain a little bit of speed to get us through it. Ba-ba-dip, 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 ba-ba-dip. All right, coming in a little hot. Like to keep it at 20. That'd be nice. Nope, too hot. All right, maybe 20 would have worked. Maybe. I kind of chickened out a little bit, got down to fight 15. Then you shoot right across, unlike that guy. He don't like watching company drivers pass him in his custom owner-operator rig. How embarrassing for him, not this guy. He hasn't recovered yet. He's way back there. I'd be in that lane, but that lane ends. This lane and this new lane starts up right here. It's a bumpy. Coming in hot. Gotta slow down a little bit.